Alright, thought I would make a demo video of my idea that I had. So what we've got here is just a scrap of plywood that I found, and what I did was I took a router attachment to the Dremel and routed out a little trench here, and then I placed the circuit board for the LEDs, the LED strip, whatever, into that trench, and so it sits flush, like it's below the surface, so it's completely flat. Got it wired up, and then hot glue gun, filled it up with hot glue, and let that cure for a little bit. Because what I figured was, with the LEDs, they should illuminate all of the glue. Plus, this is completely weather sealed now. It's flush with the surface. I even hot glued, of course, the connections. So these delicate little wires are never going to move. Those solders will never break. On the underside, drilled a hole all the way through. It's very dark. Well, anyway, there's a hole that goes through. The wires pop out. These are just connected to the LED strip that had the power supply on it. So what I'm going to do now is plug in the power supply. And ta-da! So basically the whole lump glows, and it makes it into an actual light bar instead of like discrete LED points. So when this camera can't handle it, you can see the light dots through the glow, but you know, from a distance, basically, I think this will give us actual segments, in addition to being like basically permanent. And it dims the light output slightly, but, well, you know, you can see it in person. I don't think it's a huge amount. It's not like an amount that I'm worried about, I think, for all the advantages that you get. So this way, now we don't have to do anything with plexiglass. All you have to do is get glue sticks, and they're dirt cheap, and do some routering, which is kind of annoying, but it's totally doable. So anyway, that's my idea. I think my little concept worked pretty well, so I'll probably start routing out the actual board.